For most of us, walking is something we never think twice about. But for him, every step came with pain. At just 27 years old, he had been living with hip pain for nearly 4 years. Simple daily activities became difficult and painful for him, and eventually even walking was a challenge. When he came to us, we diagnosed him with a condition called post-traumatic avascular necrosis with advanced osteoarthritis. This happens when the blood supply to the hip joint is reduced, causing the bone to collapse. Over time, it leads to severe arthritis, stiffness, and constant pain. By the time he reached us, the damage was already advanced and he had a painful hip. But giving up was not an option for us. In such cases, the most effective solution is a total hip replacement. We replace the entire damaged joint with an artificial implant, allowing the movements to become smooth and pain-free again. The surgery was performed under spinal and epidural anesthesia. It was successful with no complications. Within just 2 days, he was able to stand and begin walking again. Initially, post-op rehab was done within the hospital. Since the patient was based in Ajman, we couldn't travel regularly. We advised continuing rehab closer to home, after which his recovery gradually improved. Today, he is on the path to regain a normal, daily active life again. The joint pain is not something you have to live with. With the right diagnosis and right treatment, recovery is possible. I believe in the tagline, life is movement, movement is life.